Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari 488 GTB versus the Lamborghini Huracan. We'll dive into their engines, performance, driving dynamics, and overall appeal. The Ferrari 488 GTB, with its powerful twin-turbo V8, delivers an exhilarating experience. Meanwhile, the Lamborghini Huracan counters with a high-revving, naturally aspirated V10, offering a distinct auditory and visceral thrill. Let's explore what makes each of these supercars unique. When it comes to driving, the Ferrari 488 GTB is known for its incredibly precise handling and a surprisingly refined ride for a supercar. It feels planted and responsive, making it a joy on both track and road. The Lamborghini Huracan, on the other hand, delivers a more visceral and aggressive experience. Its sharp steering and immediate throttle response make every drive an event, truly embodying the spirit of a raging bull. Each car offers a distinct personality behind the wheel. Visually, the Ferrari 488 GTB embodies classic Italian elegance, with flowing lines and integrated aerodynamic elements that are both beautiful and functional. Inside, it's a driver-centric cockpit with luxurious materials and intuitive controls. The Lamborghini Huracan takes a different approach, with its sharp, angular design and aggressive stance. Its interior often feels like a fighter jet, with toggle switches and a bold, modern aesthetic. Both cars offer a premium experience, but with very different stylistic expressions. Choosing between the Ferrari 488 GTB and the Lamborghini Huracan truly comes down to personal preference. If you appreciate a sophisticated, high-performance machine with incredible handling and a refined feel, the 488 GTB might be your perfect match. However, if you crave a more dramatic, aggressive, and visceral driving experience with a naturally aspirated soundtrack, the Huracan will likely capture your heart. Both are phenomenal supercars, offering unparalleled thrills. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.